Hello everyone. How can determine equivalent resistance between these two terminals A and B? Look here. First of all, if this type of complicated circuit is available, basically series and parallel base, so we have searching which one look like series and parallel in easy way. Okay, if you see these two very carefully, 20 and 5 both are in parallel. Okay, so you can say that combination of these two. I know that if two resistance are parallel, so R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So R1 is 20, R2 is 5. So sum of these two, 20 plus 5, that is how much? 100 divided by 25, that is 4 ohm. Clear? So basically this one is 4 ohm. I hope so clear. Now next target. Clear or not? That is 4 ohm. Now if you see, if you face any problem, so simply if this one is O, so this one is B, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D, and this one is E terminal. Okay, look, C to D is how much? Equivalent resistance between C to D is how much? 4 ohm. Now 4 ohm and 1 ohm, that one 4 and 1 both are in series. Clear? So if these two are in series, so simply you can say that that part is written here, that combination is 4 ohm. Clear? So these two 4 and 1 are in series. Okay, basically, okay, combination of CD and DE both are in series. So combination, so written how much? 5 ohm. So simply you can say that 5 ohm. Now so you can say that finally C to E, terminal C to E is how much? 5 ohm, and C to E, that one is 20 ohm. Okay, now these two are in parallel. So you can say that if these two are in parallel, so simply what about that combination? Simply 20 into 5 divided by sum of these two, simply we got 4 ohm. Same like that one. So you can say that that is 4 ohm. Clear? Now that 4 ohm and this 2 ohm both are in series because of C to E is how much? 4 ohm, and B to E how much? 2 ohm. So these two, okay, this one and this one are in series. Combination of this one is 4 ohm and B to E is how much? 2 ohm. So 4 plus 2 is how much? Simply 6 ohm. Okay, clear? So you can say that that is 6 ohm. I hope so clear. Now after that, that combination, basically 6 ohm is the equivalent resistance between C to B. That combination C to B is how much? 6 ohm, and here C to B is how much? Now 9 ohm. So again 6 and 9 both are in parallel. So you can say that 9 into 6 divided by sum of these two, that is 15. Okay, so 3 5 ja and 3 3 ja. 3 into 6, that is 18. 18 divided by 5, so how much? Simply you can say that 3.6. Clear? So combination of these two is how much? 3.6 ohm. That is 3.6 ohm. So you can say that combination of these two, that is how much? 3.6 ohm. Clear? Now I hope so understand. Okay, clear or not? So basically C to B, 18, 9 and 6, these three are in parallel. So basically you can focus on not only two, bulky, we have focus on these three. Okay, basically we have focus on these three because these three are parallel. Now so how can solve? So equivalent resistance between C to B, R of CB, 1 by R of CB, this will be equal to 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so that is 18, here 1 plus 2 and here 3. So 6 divided by, basically 6 divided by 18. So what about that value? 3 ohm. 1 by 3. So R of CB, this will be equal to 3 ohm. Clear? So combination of these three, that is how much? 3 ohm. Now after that 3 ohm and 8 ohm. Okay, our target basically, if you see very carefully, everything is okay. Okay, so simply R of AB is written as 8 plus 3, that is how much, 11 ohm is the right answer. Make it okay.